This thing hanging off.
With it, yeah.
It's gonna fall off at some point.
I'll grab it if it does.
All right. AC if you need it. I like to run with AC.
Yep. I like it too.
Okay. So I'm glad we're doing this.
Yeah, this is cool.
Unplanned surprises are the best.
Yeah, it's so strange to be in a P car with a 6-speed.
Yeah. Since this is my last session, I'm going to go ahead and break some rules, such as passing under yellow, so I can catch them and have fun. Session. I'd still probably try to go to the head anyway. Let's see. Can't catch me.
So is this your second time here? Or have you been
third time?
Third.
Yep. First time was in the Z4 of all the cars, 35i.
Oh right, yeah.
With Turbo 6. It was the last N54 car they were still making other than the 335IS.
That's right. I remember that's the one you brought out to Parker too.
Yeah, and it had paddle shifters, real DCT, so it was quite a combo actually. I bought it for the drivetrain.
That's the one I showed you how to change brakes on, right?
I believe so, yeah, exactly. So, give me any pointers too while we're out here today. I'm happy to listen to any ideas. Or even if you're not sure and you're just like, hey, what about if you try that?
All right.
We're just here to have fun and learn. So is Jim pretty quick? Or moderate?
This I guess third session, he was getting to know the track pretty well and was doing real well.
Is he like pushing the tires and stuff and everything?
Yeah.
Okay. If he wants to let me go, I can.
We put on his turn signal.
Oh, okay.
RSR guy gave Jim instruction in the pit.
Oh, okay. And I made this stuff up myself from playing video games and coming here twice, so this is an important turn because you carry the speed out towards what's effectively a straight, although it has a lot of turns. This reminds me of the long middle straight at the Nürburgring because it's slightly uphill and a lot of blind shit going on. Yeah. And then you've got that one where you got to tap the brakes and turn left. So here, if you're pushing it, you got to hook the inside real well. Just like the Nürburgring, downshift to either as a double apex or a late apex.
Yeah, I saw a guy doing it pretty late, and it looked like it was pretty fast.
Yeah.
Jim was doing it early, and so and he wasn't getting over here.
How did that feel? Pretty good or no?
That was very good.
Yeah.